Hey, so what's going on, guys? Man here, Driven Tech Reviews, and welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to change the halogen signal light bulbs to LED for the pre-facelift Scirocco. You can see the ones at the bottom there. So I'll be showing you guys how to do it. So if you guys are wondering what bulb it is, this is the H21W Bay BAY 9S. So yeah, so it's a pretty rare bulb. You can see the legs are at a different angle. So they have a couple of versions, BA9S, and then they have I'm not sure what other variants, but this is the Bay BAY9S. So that's why you have to make sure when you're purchasing a bulb like this. So this is the original bulb that's in that lamp right there. So the dimensions are basically 9mm, I believe, throughout the whole thing, but it accepts a maximum of 11, but apparently it's not true because I had to modify the housing a little bit just to make sure this LED portion could go in. It's not necessary that you get the amber version, you can get the white version as well, because the housing itself has an orange portion inside. So you can get the white ones and then they'll be much brighter. Okay guys, so in order to remove the lamp here, you don't need to pull on this cover right here. Just give it a tug. Yeah, it should come out. See right here. So once that's done, you need to grab your T20, I believe. Yes, it's a T20 bit right here. There's only one screw right at the front here. Just need to undo that screw. Do the screw right here. Okay. Once the screw is undone, you just have to tug on it, pull it towards the outside. The best way is to actually unplug those cables. Let me see. They're kind of stuck. Plug the small light. Slight twist. There, you should be able to take this out. And then you can see right here, this is the halogen bulb. Not too sure why this side the wire is kind of short. And then this is the one that I converted in a video, a couple of videos back, to LED as well. So in order to remove it, you need to press it in, give it a twist, and there you go. It's the bulb. But now we do have a problem with the housing right here, because you can see the diameter is not wide enough, so which means we have to do a bit of trimming to make sure it fits to this hole. You can see the original bulb slides perfectly, almost snugly, but you can see the LED one is having a hard time fitting in right here, so we do have to trim a bit of material on the inside. Then we should be good to go. Okay guys, so after trimming it, you can see the bulb actually just goes in. You can see right here. Okay, so let me show you guys the difference between the halogen one on the right and the LED one on the left. So the left one is so much more brighter. Of course, it looks more modern at the same time. Okay, so in order to install back the light, just reverse all the steps and then we'll be done. Alright guys, so you can see both sides have been converted to LED. You can see they are much nicer as they flow in tandem with the mirror LEDs as well as the rear sequential. So that's the reason why I wanted to complete this conversion. So hope this video has been informational. If you did like it, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel for more content just like this one, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.